G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. Welcome to Loch, the home of online gaming, wonderful views and Australian wildlife. I do hope you like these videos, if so please subscribe. The time is 3 to 10 in the morning. Now I'm just trying to catch some of these birds feeding if I can. Oh, there's a green one eyeing off where the red one is. Then we've got these two other green ones up there as well. Oh, there one, don't go towards the other bird feeder. Trying to get that the wild pigeon I call off. He's going to climb up there and two Eastern Rosellas there. We did have a Crimson Rosella, and these ones are, I'm not quite sure what these ones are. And are they the parakeet ones, I think. There's another Eastern Rosella. Oh, okay, no, there's only two. Three. What was that? Two on the ground now, and one feeding over there. Absolutely beautiful, aren't they? Oh, it's four. Wow. Oh, now that surprises me. Zoom that in halfway and let them eat for a little bit in the sunshine. They're younger ones, I'd say, by the look of them. So there's two on the ground here if we can get a good shot. They're younger ones than the ones I normally have around here. Beautiful, aren't they? Oh, he chased it away. Lake was beautiful this morning. I'm going to zoom it out and I'll soon. Oh well, we'll head off. My name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and door comments are welcome. You all have a great day now. We'll let them feed.